I had lost a hackathon at Utah State, and I had built like this NLP model, and it was like connected to Twilio, so it'd send out messages, and it was like adaptive questions. I put in so much work, and lost to a group that had done like basically you put in your dietary restrictions and what you want to eat, and then it uses GPT to generate like your grocery list and like meal plan. And I was like, guys, like it's cool, but like I put in so much work to this. And so that night I was sitting at my computer and I was like, okay, I just lost this thing. And I was like, help me come up with a cooler idea to like that's more flashy than what I'm doing right now.
Yeah.
And ask me about my skills and ask follow-up questions to like really dive into like where my skill set is. So I went through like 20 questions. GPT just kept asking me questions about like what I was interested in, what I was good at. All of a sudden it was like, it's like you're interested in coding, you're interested in this language Kek-Chi, and like very few people have the intersection of data coding and and this language. And they're like, you should look at trying to build like something
Wow.
using this language. And I was like, okay, what things could I do? You know? And then it gave me ideas like, oh, like start by trying to just like get access to a data set if you can. And so I reached out to some people, and then it's like, all right, try to build a translator. And then I was like, how do I build a translator? I've never worked with neural networks before. And then it's like, oh, I would suggest doing MBERT 50
Oh my
or
gosh.
whatever,
Yeah.
and then fine tuning it on this thing. And I was like, oh, how do I do that? And then it just walks me through just so much stuff, you know? And